Well, the outdoor season for Cameron McAdoo lasted a complete, not even one lap. There was no footage of him crashing, that at least that I can see, that I've found anywhere looking. The only footage that I can find of his accident was of him being carted off of the track right here. Just that does not look very good. Completely out of it, just dazed beyond his belief, and posting on his Instagram today, he said, "I had a crash on the first lap of the first moto yesterday, which resulted in a broken sternum and some bleeding on my lungs. I'm even more disappointed as my team and I put in lots of work heading into outdoors, and we were really looking forward to the summer, blah, 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 about why, and da-da-da-da." Obviously, he has a track record of being injured. This does not help him at all, especially, he's been in the 250s for a few years now, looking for a 450 ride, but he did say, looking forward to later this summer he will come back. So in the comments below, tell me, do you think he's going to be racing? Do you think he'll be out for all summer? Whatever it is, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.